Hello everyone, this is Vinay and you're watching EduSmart. Today I'm back with another interesting video on free internship offer from Microsoft. You can even get the certificate for free after completing this virtual event. So I make these videos on free courses, certification, placement preparation, resume making, etc. If you're looking into any of this data, do not forget to hit the bell icon whenever you subscribe. So let me take you on to this site where I've been talking about this Microsoft internship, that is virtual program. That means you can complete it online. And so coming to this program, they are offering three kinds of programs under this Microsoft internship program. Now these three are for different kind of people. So you might be from MBA, or say if you're looking into an MBA virtual internship platform, this is for you. And if you are a student, like undergraduate or PG student, but if you wanted to go for marketing stream, this internship is for you. Coming to the final one, if you wanted to be a professional at Microsoft, that means if you wanted to get a job at Microsoft, and if you belong to the engineering stream, this internship is for you. So now click this view program. It will redirect you on to the actual program for engineering students. So if you're interested in MBA, you can either choose that one as well. So coming to this program, I'll show you how to register. Now let us see about this program before. Now in this program, there will be an instructor who is instructing you to what to do in this. So it's basically there is nothing like prerequisites for this program. You must be an undergraduate and having a good knowledge of communication skills is important. So what will be the work at Microsoft? You will be working on projects that matter and use engineering skills like you will be use data science, research, design, and engineering, etc. This is what they basically tell you about the Microsoft. So coming to the actual internship now. Now here an HR intern at Microsoft will be introducing you to this virtual program after watching this video. So you will be able to earn a certificate once you complete this internship, and you will also get your job application prioritized. So if you apply for a job through Insider Sherpa, you are having this certification for Microsoft. There are high chances to be prioritized that your application. So you will be seen by Microsoft. You can have your LinkedIn and CV stand out from the rest. It's a self-paced platform. It means you can do it either today, tomorrow, whatever you want, when and as you like. There is nothing like a deadline for this internship. You'll gain a real work experience, learn direct from Microsoft, leverage this experience in interviews, set yourself up for success. So these are some benefits that you are gonna get at the end of this program. So coming to the modules involved in this, as you see, this is from Microsoft. You don't have small number of exercises, what we call tasks here. There are about 10 modules to be completed in order to complete this internship. Because this is from Microsoft, right? So it really worth the effort. So your efforts are really required for this. If you see, there are too many modules here. So we all need to complete all the modules to get this certificate. Explore, discover, campus to corporate. So they are showing you many skills that are ready for work. Like you will be getting a very good knowledge, not just for Microsoft. You can use this for any other companies. Like you can showcase that in your resume. But the thing is that you should be able to speak about what you have done in this internship. So unless and until you do something or you talk something about this, it's worthless. So gaining a certificate is not important, but how well you are able to talk about it, how well you are able to gain knowledge from this is really important in any internship, not just this one. So that's all about this internship. Now let us click on register now. So it will be asking you some questions. I'll be showing you how to answer them. How did you hear about Microsoft Virtual Internship Program? Let me see what you can see. Student clubs or societies will think. Click next. I have heard about Microsoft and one more. What are you interested in? Like to see this. Please confirm your region of residence. Where do you live? Like I'm from India, so I'm clicking India, and then next. So please confirm whether you have working rights in any of the following countries. Please select or click India. Next. How do you usually search for internship or full time? So career fair, local campus events. Let us take this. We'll also see for company or careers portal. Like we don't for also go for LinkedIn. So that's enough. Click next. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you understand how we are, what do we do at Microsoft? Yes, say 9. Based on what you currently know about Microsoft, how likely are you to apply for a graduate or internship role with Microsoft? 9. Are you happy for Microsoft to view your details and contact? Yes. So that's how you will begin this program. So now this will enroll you onto this Microsoft Virtual Internship platform. See, this is how I enroll. Now I can start this task and complete this task one by one. But the thing is, it will take around 6 modules are present, so it will take a lot of time to complete this. Let me know in the comment section below if you are looking into this internship or you're really interested in this, because this is very lengthy one. So let me know in the comment section below so that I may try to provide the answers if I see there are a good number of comments asking for the answers. So that's all about this interesting internship from Insider Sherpa. I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, keep smiling.